The city is gone, Felix. Let's go. Just run.
Oh my god. Wembu's on you, bro.
I know, dude.
I'm inside. Just keep going. Yo, Wembu. Right now.
Okay. You're not parrot.
Guys, we need cover.
You're close enough to parrot. Oh.
Who are you?
I see it.
Hit him.
Yes, guys, all crowd under cover when fighting. That seems like a good idea.
Oh my god.